At Suburban Subaru, we have a professional staff that treats you with extraordinary service.
Keep your engine from losing its cool and improve performance when you take advantage of our cooling system service. As a general rule, coolant level should be 1 to 2 inches below the radiator filler neck when cool. If the coolant is over 2 years old or has rust in it, system flushing and refilling with new antifreeze solution is recommended. With our cooling system service, we'll test, drain, and refill your cooling system with the manufacturer's recommended coolant mixture for one incredibly low price. The radiator is just one component in your vehicle's cooling system, which can quickly diminish the efficiency and durability of the engine. We'll check the radiator as well as the cooling fan, check for internal and external leaks, and so much more. Hurry in today.
Suburban Subaru is a member of the KrausCars.com family of dealerships that has been selling and servicing vehicles in the greater Hartford area for over 25 years. We are patient and professional, and we guarantee you a loan. Suburban Subaru, Route 83 on the Manchester-Vernon line. See you in Vernon or see us online at suburbansubaru.com. Si habla español, wir sprechen Deutsch.